Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix corrupted pen drive, repair corrupted pen drive, memory card and flash drive. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type disk part. Type list disk. Select your USB or pen drive. Type select disk 2. Type clean. Type create partition primary. Type list partition, partition 1 is selected. Type format fs equal to ntfs quick. Type active. Type assign letter equal to P. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.